Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn IT with Venkat. Today's video I am going to simulate simple traffic signal scenario using TINKERCAD with the support of 3 LEDs red, green and yellow. We will see how. So go to the website tinkercad.com, log in, go to the project. Here we can choose the circuit design. For our project we need Arduino Uno board, and then we need breadboard, and we need 3 LEDs. Here you can put 1, 2 and 3, and we need 3 resistor, 1, 2 and third one. Fine. And this is going to be a red LED, and this is going to be yellow LED, and this is going to be green. Okay, I have changed the colors, so I am going to place these LEDs inside my breadboard. So here red, and here yellow, and here I am going to place green. As I told, this inside circuit is going to work in a row, and this outside circuit is going to work as a column. Okay, so this all is going to act as plus, but if you look at inside the selection, it is very clear it acts as plus or minus. Okay, so as per this scenario here, if you see, this cathode is negative, so this 7th row is going to act as a negative. And if you look at here, anode means positive, so this 8th row is going to act as a positive row. So now I am going to place the resistor. One leg of the resistor is going to be in the positive side, and you can use R key to rotate the resistor. The positive leg of LED, I am going to place it with the resistor's leg, and similarly this resistor, similarly one leg of resistor is going to in the row of positive, and for the last one. So the rows which has the LED's positive leg anode, I inserted the resistor's leg. So next we have to take the connection from the negative row, and we have to give it to the negative of outer, and from here to here, and here to here. Okay, so all the negative legs of LED connected with the negative row, and from here I have taken one connection and giving to the ground of your Arduino board. Okay, now for this positive I am going to supply the power. So take one slot from this resistor's another end leg, and I am going to give it to the 13, and from here I am going to give it to the 12, and from here I am going to give it to the 8th pin. So for the positive I have chosen 13, 12 and 8th pin. Each LED is going to blink in different time, so I have to give different pin for each LED. Now I have to code for it, so click the code here, and so default blocks no need, just put it in the trash. And here I am going for set. Now for 13 connected to red, and go to control, and it is going to wait for 1 second, and again pin number 13 should be off. High means on, low means off. Okay, and similarly after 1 second do the same for the yellow pin. So yellow pin connected with 12, so choose pin number 12, and you can have this also 12, which is going to off, low, and use control here and put it and join this one, and wait for 1 second again, and go back, do the same thing for green color. So green connected with pin number 8, so 8 to high, and also you can do it for 8 to low, and in between you have to set the timer, so wait, and add this one. So 13 pin high for 1 second and it will become off, and after 1 second pin number 12, which is for yellow, will on and off, and similarly for green. Now I will execute this. So now power connected, you can see the LED on and off iteration begins. So it will iterate one by one for 1 second. Suppose stop this one, I want that red color LED has to on for 5 seconds, and yellow color has to on for 3 seconds, and green has to on for 8 seconds. Like that you can set the timer delay for each LED. Now you can see the LED will on for 5 seconds, you can watch here, and after that yellow LED will on for 3 and green LED will on for 8 seconds. And you can take the code for this also. So for that, stop your execution and click here. Here you can choose blocks plus text. So once you have chosen it, here you will get the Arduino board coding part. Okay, you can directly copy it and you can use it in the IDE of Arduino, then it will execute. Fine, hope you have understand. So this scenario is suit for signals, road signals, we can use it. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends. Subscribe this channel for getting more video updates. Bye bye.